Malika, are you ready for the dentist? Malika be like, yo, I can't do anything without her being right there. I wonder if they do it at school, maybe. What did sister do? Okay. Do not touch it, Malia Jade. The breeze that's coming off, maybe. I'll try to sister now. If she didn't go and touch it, something was really wrong. And then she's gonna follow. The tooth is gone, but the tooth that's coming in.
Your teeth?
Okay,
yeah, so this one here. Okay. Okay.
it's okay, you're ready to it.
Yeah, you're okay. Alright. And open there. Open. Can you open?
Open.
His tongue is going. The tongue. Oh, it's just the camera.
Need something like
Like, I want to think to move it to our tongue to the
I
side.
just make you bite down for half.
Yeah.
She can take it.
Take a rest. Take a rest, they're coming right back. You next.
Is that loose one bothering her?
And when it comes off as well.
Okay. Is it shaking or don't it shake?
I think you can like try it out with the leg too. Yeah, it's a
Okay.
little bit more well, yeah.
Can we like yank it out?
Yeah, or get him to like get her to eat like an apple or something.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then-
Alrighty. Well, all we wanted to know was that it's good because it seemed like it was coming in behind, so we're like,
yeah. Usually it goes on that tongue side, and then as it comes out, the tongue's just gonna push it because your tongue's gonna be.
okay. Alrighty. Thank you. No more screaming. Thank you for tolerating the screaming. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, guys. So as you guys can just see, we went to the dentist with Malika, cause our baby tooth hasn't fully fallen out, and our they call it mature teeth, our permanent teeth, is coming in, but it's coming in behind the baby tooth. So we just wanted to take her to the dentist just to make sure that everything is good, because you know Malika is not that she can tell us that, you know.
Anything
anything is going on, so we have to just be proactive. Had to hold her down because Malika is not gonna cooperate.
She's not gonna sit in that chair.
She sees the chair and she just knows what's coming and she just want to get out of there. But I don't know, she's good. They're saying nothing to worry about. It's all okay. It's pretty normal, apparently. But
we wouldn't know. So.
as a kid, we never know anybody go through that. As a kid,
I don't know.
we teach us drop out.
I mean, I know family member got through in something there.
Yeah,
So,
that's what it is. But what did that cost us? Now that procedure, we just wanted someone to look in her mouth, so she didn't really do anything really. But it cost us $78, all covered by Nuts Insurance. Nuts good up insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Big up insurance.
Big up work.
Big up your work. Yeah, so I don't know. That's what that costs. Now, healthcare in Canada, as you guys might have seen and might have known, is one of the biggest challenge in terms of getting access to healthcare. You get provincial health, but provincial health doesn't cover dental and optical. You need private insurance for that, which is usually covered through your workplace, or if you're an international student from the school, covers the dental and optical part of things. But to get an appointment, it's usually a challenge to get.
It's easy to get an appointment.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, easy.
Like really easy, and I don't really have to wait. Depends on the procedure that I'm doing. I don't have to wait too long. But if it's a doctor I'm going now, that's different.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have to wait too long.
No.
Guys, the place is so smoky again, man. Like this year, summer and fall has just been horrible. Let me show you guys what we're talking about. Okay, first thing first, ignore that big rock chip that's in the windscreen. You guys know that's the signature by now. But anyways, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing, the place kind of look a bit overcast, but it's not really overcast. It's really just smoke.
Thick smoke.
So the entire atmosphere is covered with a thick layer of smoke and makes it very difficult to even breathe, right? And I'm not sure which direction the smoke is coming from, but this has been ongoing for the entire spring,
It's west.
summer, and now fall. All the bushfires, wildfires, before it was in Alberta, then it was in Quebec, then BC, then Nova Scotia, then Northwest Territories, then it's just been crazy this year, guys. Just been crazy. So we get like a few good days this year.
Yesterday was nice.
Yesterday was nice?
Yeah, it was good yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was nice. Yesterday was nice, but we were at work.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got like the days that you actually get to go out and have fun. Very far and few in between this year.
Yes.
Man. And before you know it, it's winter.
I need to take a picture.
Look,
Sorry,
are you taking a picture?
picture?
Mala is reading a book. Big girl settings. Last year we started getting snow at the end of September. All the way back. And the year before, we started getting snow the first week of October. Remember the year before, because that was the October that Malia was born. We went in on the 2nd of October. It was no snow, no nothing. It was a bit chilly, but not terrible.
Second or first?
We went in on the 2nd. On the 1st.
First.
No, we went in on the 3rd actually. Because she was born on the 3rd.
Maybe I spent the night in there.
The same day, the Sunday you go in, or the same Sunday she was born. Yeah, you remember?
Yeah. Remember that? Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So we started getting snow the first week of October, the year before. So that means that we have another couple weeks to go. Knock on wood, no snow till November.
Hopefully.
As per usual, we just want to say a huge thank you to all the persons who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, supporting the Andersons family. We just want to say thank you guys so much. And we really hope that we have contributed to your Canadian dream some way, somehow, by even providing some information. And if you're watching and you haven't liked, or if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, or if you're watching and you haven't shared a video, take this opportunity to do it. It really helps us out. We'd greatly appreciate it, guys. So it's Saturday, we're just chilling with the family, some R&R, rest and relaxation. Just leave the dentist. We're actually in the same complex right now, waiting on a food place to open because we're hungry. And then yeah, we'll see what the day holds. We have anything on the agenda today? What do we have to do?
house opening, barbecue.
Oh, yeah. Today's the barbecue too?
Today's the barbecue.
Barbecue's what time? 1 to 5?
12 to 4. So we have barbecue and house opening.
So we'll leave here is we have to go to the barbecue and then to the house opening.
Yeah.
Busy day. Yes, guys. So we're home now. It was a very, very busy day. We didn't get to do much videoing. We did go to a barbecue, which is the Peace Autism Society of Grand Prairie Barbecue, where we were able to connect with other parents who have autistic kids. And, you know, we just brought the kids and they had a very good time. There was food, there was entertainment, so we spent some time there. And then after that, we went to an open house, spent some more time there. Then we went to the park. It was just a crazy, crazy, busy, fun family afternoon. So we decided that we weren't gonna video because you know, sometimes it's very important to stay in the present. But nonetheless, guys, I'm now home, and at our apartment building there's this beautiful park that's located right in the back of the backyard. I'm just gonna show you guys what fall is looking like. So back in Jamaica we hear fall. We didn't really know what fall was like until coming to Canada. So let me just show you guys an example of what fall is like, okay? Alrighty, first things first, guys, the temperature starts to drop in fall. So in the summertime, temperature can get up to as high as plus 30, plus 25, plus 28, thereabout. In fall, temperature starts falling into single digits, plus 8, plus 10, plus 5 in the mornings, plus 2. Temperatures like those, so it starts getting a little bit chilly. But most importantly, the trees starting changing colors. So the trees turn yellow and orange, right? So before, we have walked in this park many times and you guys would have noticed all greens, but the trees turn yellow and then the leaves fall on the ground. So these are all leaves that has fallen on the ground over the past week or so. And then within another week or a week and a half, these trees will all be naked. There will be no leaves on most of these trees. But fall is such a beautiful season, guys. This is what I think is the sweet spot in terms of the temperature. It's not too cold, not too warm. It's just perfect. And plus it's so pretty for photos. Fall photos is so beautiful because of the trees and the leaves and just the overall ambience of the environment, right? Now look at this tree, for example. This tree was green just a couple weeks ago. Now it's solid orange or red, because they say men are colorblind. But now this is the color, right? Some of these trees are still green, but they're starting to turn yellow. Eventually they'll all be yellow and orange. You see the ones ahead? Those have already started, but this one is holding firm. But let's see how long it can last. As I said, this park is located right in the back of our apartment building, so it's almost like we live at the park, pretty much. So let's go that way. That is our apartment right here. This is where we live. That's our apartment, and this is our backyard. Sometimes when you want to relax, sometimes when you want to chill, just come for a walk, just to relax. Have a little fountain over there, little water fountain over there. Oh, look at that tree, that's so pretty. Nice vibe, you know. This is something that I treasure so much, and I appreciate, and I never get tired of really admiring and observing and just taking in the peace of mind and the calmness that comes with most places here in Canada. And for me, that is the #1 deal. Just to be able to can go for a walk and feel safe, and just to be able to relax. That's everything. That's life, guys. That's everything. Nice flowers. All the trees are turning. So this tree straight ahead, I don't remember what is the original name for trees like these, but these are the only trees or trees like these that doesn't change color or shed leaves in the winter. And that is why in Jamaica trees like these are known as Christmas tree, because it's the only tree that stands the test of winter. So the Christmas trees in Jamaica, they use artificial designs to emulate these trees, and it's called Christmas tree because these trees are the same throughout winter as well. It doesn't shed leaves, doesn't change color, it's the same, and that is why it's known as Christmas tree, in case you guys didn't know. A lot of persons here get their own Christmas tree, like they go into the jungle and chop down their own tree and use it as stuff. So this fountain is still in the backyard or in the park of our apartment. Got this little fountain right here. Nice. I don't think any fish in there or anything like that. Before you know it, this is all gonna be solid ice. I'm just trying to observe and just enjoy nature a little bit before it's winter time. I don't know what these are, if they can be eaten or not. Just a little berries. I don't even know if they're poisonous or not. Nice. There's few things in this world that's more calm, that's more serene than going for a morning walk or an evening walk, as in this case. By yourself, just in nature, just giving yourself an opportunity to slow down, just to think, just to reflect, just to plan. The best planning takes place when you are, calm and there's no distractions around you. And it's also very important to remember to make time for yourself. So making a decision to go for a walk, for example, by yourself, where you can plan and think and meditate, I think it's something that if you don't get to do it every day, try to do it at least once a week, so you can recharge your mindset and just go back into nature. Remember what's important and focus on what's important as well. Yo, this just looks like a really, really nice building from this shot. Whew. Smash a like on the video, guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this park. Especially. And what season do you guys think you'd love the most? Do you guys think you'd love summer? Do you guys think you'd love spring, fall, or winter? Let me know. I know what I hate the most. I hate winter. You guys know this already. See you guys in the next video, okay?